Hi friends, if you remember, hi dear friends, my name is Kumar, channel per Kumar exclusive. If you remember, I have made some videos. I don't remember the number count. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 9 videos I made on Fannie matching grant scams or layoffs, right? We got an update. So that is breaking. 71 Telugu-Origin Fannie employees sue for discrimination. Federal lawsuit filed in DC court alleges sudden mass firing on April 3, 2025. All employees were over 40 years, Telugu-speaking Indian nationals. According to matching grants in brackets fraud without proof. Some of the points I'm reading. It's a long PDF and a big file. And denied severance, vacation, or any due process. Fannie allegedly used in brackets again for cause termination to avoid payouts. Title 7 plus age discrimination plus breach of contract. No evidence ever shown. So no individual's explanation given. Only Indian charities flagged. Case Kancharla ETALV, that's a lot of terms, but basically Kancharla versus Fannie case number 1 is 225 C02346. Anyway, GPT link I will provide. Whatever the research I did, you can also read it. Plaintiff demand reinstatement, damages and jury trial. This is about the latest update of those 9 videos, and I will provide the ChatGPT link. You can go through it, and those who don't know, watching first time, Fannie matching grants, basically the Reddy caste people or the top guys who are designed it is what sources informed. Second is Thana also involved in the public news. It is available. You can Google Fannie plus matching grant scams. You get many links. And so about 120 Telugu H1B workers, and some of them are GC and US is also there. Mostly Reddy caste, but other caste also there. Brahmins, Vaishyas, and so many other castes. But the crime design done by Reddys. Next, Thana also mentioned in the public sites. That main accused and whistleblower targets Satish Chinta, allegedly a key internal actor whistleblower depending on the perspective. His name appear in the lawsuit, whatever it is there in the public domain I'm reading. Matching grants misuse, that's the reason. In the deportation and visa fallout, that is there in the public domain I'm just reading. Legal action and my videos. Thank you again. See you again in the next video.